Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's order management system. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. After the basic setup, from the left navigation bar, click on Order Management. You can see three options, which are Dashboard, Pose Orders, Online Orders. In the dashboard, you will find all the complete data of all orders individually, like ongoing orders, complete orders, canceled orders, refund orders, and other order stat. In the online order, you can find all the detailed information about online orders and types, like takeaway, home delivery, or a refund request list. The same goes for pause orders. It mainly comes from your walk-in and dine-in customers. If you click here, you can find all order lists, dine-in, takeaway, home delivery, and refund requests. Now I'm going to show how a pause order works. In the order list, you'll find the order ID, customer details, total amount, and order information. You can easily filter and view specific orders. By clicking on the I button, you can open a quick view of a specific order. From here, you can also update the order status. If you select cooking, you can set the estimated cooking time. Similarly, you can change the status to other stages as needed. If your restaurant has a pay-first system, it will notify you if payment is not received. This happens before you mark an order as completed. In case an order is canceled, the system will show whether the order was paid or not, and you can also add a note with the cancellation reason. By clicking on the three-dot menu on any specific order, you'll get two options: View Details and Update Status. In the View Details section, you can see every detail of the order, and you also have the option to download or print the invoice. In this way, you can also manage your online delivery system easily. Now, let's see how the admin can set up and manage orders from a single panel. Go to Settings, then click on Orders and Reservations. Here you'll find three sections: Orders, Reservations, and Refund. From the Orders section, you can configure the order type, order format, and set up the order cancellation options, including the cancellation reasons for both the customer side and the admin side. There's also an option for the token generation process and to manage the order refund process. For refund settings, go to Refund Settings, and it will redirect you to the refund page. Select the reasons you want to apply for your refund policy. If you want to set up reservations, go to the Reservations section, where you can configure the booking fee, choose the cancellation type, and set the payment options for reservations. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!